Whole house rewiring is a significant project that involves several steps to complete. First, you'll want an initial assessment from a licensed electrician to assess your specific situation, provide recommendations, and an accurate quote. Step 2 is creating an electrical plan and submitting permits to the city. The third step would be to expect power shutdown of the entire home during the process, which may be very lengthy. After the power is shut down, your electrician will remove the old wiring, install new wiring, and upgrade all your electrical devices, outlets, switches, recessed lights, etc. During this process, you can also expect your electrician to replace your electrical panel and likely upgrade your electrical service to accommodate the new electrical system that's been installed and bring it up to current code standards. The final part of your project will involve restoring power and getting final inspections from the city.